Hello there, Veena here from SmartPayCart.com, and in this video I'll show you all the steps that are required to integrate subscription products with Stripe. So say that you're using SPC to sell your products and you have your product in DApp, you're using DApp as your membership plugin. So the way it used to work in the older versions of SPC is that in your Stripe account, you had to create a plan, a product in your Stripe account, and that had to exactly match the product name in DApp. So under billing, under products is where you will find all the products, all the plans. So if you are on an old version of SPC, you have to make sure that you create a product in your Stripe account and the product name should match the product name in DApp. So to create a product in Stripe, you have to visit billing products, click on new, and this is in Stripe. And then you have to make sure the product name here exactly matches the product name in DApp. But if you are on the latest version of SPC, you no longer have to do this, and you also need to be on the latest version of DApp. So you need to be on SPC version 4.4 or above, and you need to be on DApp version 7.2 or above for this whole thing to be automated. And this way you never have to worry about making sure that you create a product in Stripe, the product name matches the one in DApp. So you don't have to do any of this anymore, all right, as long as you are on the latest versions. So if you're not sure what version of SPC and DApp you're on, visit WordPress admin plugins page, and here look for SPC and you'll find the SPC version number right here. So it says 4.5.2. So as long as you are on 4.4 or above, then this will all be automated. All right. So here I'm already on 4.5.2. So it's all good. So this is the DApp admin dashboard. And in the footer section, you'll find the DApp version number. So this is the products page, and you'll find this on all the DApp admin pages. In the footer section, it says DApp version 7.2.3. So you will find the DApp version number here. So if you're not sure, just check here. As long as you're on DApp version 7.2 or above, this is all automated, and I am on 7.2.3, so it's all good. So let's test this whole process end to end. All right, so this is DApp products page. So here I'm going to create a product called monthly plan. All right, so this is going to be monthly subscription, pricing. This is a paid product, payment type recurring, and trial no, $30 every 30 days. Unlimited number of payments, save product. So now I have a product in DApp, and now I'm going to create a payment button in SPC to sell this product. So let's head over to SPC, buy button page. So this is the SPC buy button page. I'm going to click on add new button to add a new subscription button. So let's call it monthly plan. Monthly plan, that's the name of the product in DApp. Next, do you want to offer an order bump? No. I'm just going to use all the default settings because my main goal is to show you how this whole thing works with Stripe. So here I'm just going to select one of my checkout pages. Next, landing page. It doesn't matter because this is just for testing. Sales page doesn't matter because this is just a test button. Sandbox or live. I'm going to set this to sandbox. We'll do testing in sandbox and we'll see if in Stripe product gets created automatically by SPC. So this is my checkout page. So I'm going to complete purchase of this product monthly plan, and then I will log into Stripe and check if this plan gets created automatically in Stripe. So I'll enter my test credit card number, place order, and now I'll go to my Stripe account and check if this plan is created there. So this is my Stripe account. I have enabled viewing test data because I ran the purchase in sandbox mode. So it'll be in the test mode in Stripe. So I have enabled this. So now under billing, I should see the plan under products. So let's see under products if I haven't here, right here, monthly plan. This was all created by SPC automatically. Let's click on this and make sure everything looks good there with the plan. And you can see here the plan name is monthly plan, exactly matches the product name in DApp. And this monthly plan product in Stripe is assigned a unique ID by Stripe. And you can see under the pricing plan, this was all created by SPC automatically, and it's set correctly, $30 every 30 days. So this is how it works. So I didn't have to do anything manually, it's all automated. So a couple more things when it comes to connecting Stripe and SPC. Stripe has two modes, test mode and live mode. So in your Stripe account, click on view test data and get your Stripe test keys. So when you click on view test data, if you enable this switch here, then under developers, click on API keys, and there you can grab your keys here, your publishable key and secret key, copy this and save it somewhere, And similarly, then toggle the switch back to live mode. And now go back to API keys and grab your live keys, your publishable key and the secret key for live mode, and copy this somewhere. Then go back to SPC settings, payment settings page, and click on sandbox to get to the sandbox mode. And here select Stripe and enter your Stripe test keys here that you got from your Stripe account. And go to the live mode, and here under Stripe, make sure to enter your Stripe live keys. So here in SPC, secret key is first, publishable key is next. Make sure when you're copying it from your Stripe account, don't enter the publishable key in the secret field, secret key in the publishable key field, because in Stripe you're going to have the publishable key first, then the secret key. In SPC it's reversed, so when you copy it, make sure you're entering the publishable key in the publishable key field and a secret key in the secret key field. So there are only two things you have to do. One is you have to get the API keys for live mode and test mode and enter that in SPC settings page in the live mode and the test mode tab. The other thing you have to do is click on webhooks, and this is only if you sell subscription products. Otherwise, you don't have to do this. So if you sell subscription products in webhook, click on webhook. Right now, I'm in the live mode, as you can see. So here it says live. So you can add endpoint. And when you click on add endpoint, enter, you have to enter this URL. Basically, it has to say yoursite.com/dap/dap-stripe.php. So this is the script. So click on add endpoint, enter that URL, and that's it. This will allow Stripe to communicate with the SPC and DAP when a recurring payment goes through. This way DAP can extend users' access to the subscription product. And you'll have to do the same thing in the test mode. So toggle the switch to test, and then again add endpoint. And this is the URL that you need to enter, whatever is the domain name of your website, /dap/dap-stripe.php. So replace yoursite.com with your domain name, and the rest is fine. And that's it. These are the only two things you have to do to connect Stripe with SPC, because everything else is all automated. Even the plan, it's all automated. SPC will automatically create a plan in Stripe if it doesn't find one. So make sure SPC version is version 4.4 or above. You need to be on DAP version 7.2 above for this thing to work for recurring payments. So I hope this helps. My name is Veena Prashant. Thanks for watching.